Hi, today we're going to do steam inhalation. Okay, we're going to use our small tent. We put a blanket on top of it to make sure that the steam will not escape. So this is just to give you an idea if you want to do this the same thing, so you can actually use your tent. And here, what's inside in here, my two loved ones, we're actually trying to have fun inside too. So this is the inside. Let's see, and this is the pot. We put water in it and some orange peelings just to give scent. And we're going to put some salt. Oh, actually, my husband already put some salt, so we use Himalayan salt. Okay, he's going to put some. Okay, that's good. So steam inhalation is actually traditional medicine back home in the Philippines. I don't know to some other countries, but this is actually really good for flu, dry cough, and dry very bad colds. And right this time we're having dry cough, colds, and my daughter is having flu, so we want to do this one just to help our phlegm and dry cough to be moistened. So again, you can do this idea if you are also wanting to try steam inhalation. And likewise, you can also have fun inside because it's a little bit wide, or there's a space so that your kids will not be bored. Okay, so this time we're going to play Uno. This is our family game before we go to bed. So yeah, we're going to play Uno now. Okay, so again, stay healthy and have a good rest.
Thank you.
Yeah, my husband and my daughter. Okay, after 10 minutes. Yeah, it's really boiling. And look at us.
I want to get out of here.
Yeah, look at Daddy. They're really sweating.
My body is mostly sweating. So you see right
that's
here,
good.
my chest is sweating. Now I want to get out.
Okay, so you can actually see the steam too on the tent. There.
It's sweating too, yeah.
Okay. And right this time you can feel my throat is a little bit
Getting better?
yeah.
A little bit.
Yes, it helps really. Look at that. And it smells good inside. It smells like oranges.
Really?
Yeah.
Like
Me,
or
it smells like
still
nothing.
Yeah, it
the
smells oranges.
What?
Okay, and a while ago we told you that we're going to play Uno. But since our card is made up of paper, so it's not an ideal because it will be wet. So instead of Uno, we just played. What did we play, Precious?
And rock, paper, scissors. But rock, paper, scissors first.
Yeah, rock, paper, scissors. And who won? Who won?
Daddy
Okay.
or Precious or Mommy.
It's me.
It's
Oh
you?
my goodness, it's me.
Okay. It's
yeah.
Precious.
So it's actually you can just make it fun here if you have kids, so that they will not get bored. So
Yeah.
and also you can do this again the next day.
Yeah, any day you want. Every day counts. But not every day means that every day.
Okay, so again, thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.